Hey everyone, check out the Edging Casting pre-seasoned cast iron camping Dutch oven, perfect for outdoor cooking. This 6-quart Dutch oven serves 5 to 6 people, ideal for family meals or small gatherings. Made from thick cast iron, it offers superior heat retention and even cooking for slow-cooked dishes. The dual-purpose lid holds hot coals for top heat or flips over to become a handy skillet. You can use it on stovetops, ovens, over coals, or with a tripod for open flame cooking. It comes pre-seasoned and ready to use, but applying oil enhances its non-stick surface and durability. This versatile Dutch oven is a must-have for any camping or outdoor cooking adventure. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.